In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your WordPress database from unnecessary clutter in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in and make your website run smoother and more efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is where you can log into your site and access the backend where all the magic of maintenance happens. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate and click the login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the web page. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the administrative panel of your WordPress site. After clicking login, you will be presented with a few options on how you'd prefer to log into your WordPress account. For this tutorial, we're going to click on Continue with Google. This option is particularly convenient if you're already signed into your Google account, as it streamlines the login process, saving you additional steps and time. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your Google account on your browser to make this as seamless as possible. Once you click on Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply choose the Google account connected to your WordPress site. This action will direct you to your WordPress dashboard, where you can manage and maintain your website. Now that you're logged in, it's time to clean up the clutter. Head over to the feedback section of your WordPress dashboard. You can usually find this option on the left-hand side within the navigation menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and then go ahead and click on Form Responses. Form responses are essentially the accumulated data from any contact forms you might have on your site, and they can pile up surprisingly quickly, bogging down your database. So here's where you start the cleanup. In the form responses section, you'll see a list of all the entries that have been recorded. Take a moment to highlight the data entries you wish to delete. This might be older feedback that no longer serves a purpose or duplicates that are taking up unnecessary space. Once you've selected the unwanted entries, you'll notice an option to trash them, generally located above or below the list depending on your theme. Go ahead and click on Trash. This step effectively removes the selected entries from your database, making it leaner and more functional. And there you have it. Just like that, you've cleaned up the unnecessary data cluttering your WordPress database, all in just a few simple steps. Regular maintenance like this ensures that your website continues to operate smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy site managing.